Hello, I'm Jim Krautkramer with Silverstone Mortgage, whose parent company is Gateway Funding. I will give you, our valued business partners, the benefits of the federal VA Home Loan Program. This mortgage is available to any person who has served honorably on active duty, is in the service currently, or a reservist. This is the best mortgage program because veterans defend our country, deserve our thanks, respect, and gratitude. The VA program is available for 1 to 4 family owner-occupied properties with no down payment. Loan amounts may be as high as the Fannie Mae maximum of $417,000 based on the veteran's qualifications. There is a VA funding fee added to the loan for administering the program. If the veteran receives VA disability benefits, this fee could be waived. There is no monthly mortgage insurance. The current minimum credit score is only 620. VA offers flexible income, debt, and credit requirements, allowing the veteran to qualify easier than other mortgage programs. The seller may contribute up to 4% based on the sales price for the veteran's closing costs and prepaids. There is no limit on the amount of times the federal VA program may be used by the veteran. Also, refinances are available up to 90% based on the home's value. It does not need to be a VA loan that is being paid off. Cash out for any purpose is also available up to this 90%. I encourage you to ask your clients if they are a veteran. Please contact our dedicated and experienced loan originators at Silverstone Mortgage, whose parent company is Gateway Funding, for VA pre-approvals or further information. Our number is 920-832-1400. We are opening doors to home ownership. Thank you for your time.